I hope y'all are having a great day so far. I am about to make my morning coffee. I got it right here. But I wanted to share with y'all the coffee that I drink every morning. I'm not a huge breakfast person, and I don't like to eat sweets in the mornings. So I'm going to share this with y'all because I love it, and I just got a brand new bag of it in. It is the LadyBoss LEAN. This is the vanilla cake flavor, and that's what I use. I use my 8 ounces of coffee and then sprinkles and whipped cream, and you can either put ice cubes in it or you can drink it hot. So this is called the Craving Crusher Coffee Lean Shake, and then I get a scoop of LadyBoss LEAN. So then you are going to stir that up and close the bag up. So you're going to stir it up, make sure it's all dissolved. Like I said, I like to drink mine cold. I've already added my ice cubes. Now I'm going to add my whipped cream. I like a lot of whipped cream. And then I like to do sprinkles also, just to make it fun. And that's it. So this is what mine looks like. It is so good. So good. It's literally like a shake. And it's coffee. LadyBoss LEAN is good for weight loss, craving control, immunity support, and all of your digestive health. I'm literally just now realizing that I have it on my shirt. Actually go right now and get yourself a free sample to try it out yourself. This is the only stuff I drink, y'all. Like, nothing else tastes good to me. This is the only protein powder I like. It is literally so good. But go try it. You will love it, I promise.